Hi my friends, this is Fawad again with one more video. This one is for unboxing of Samsung S9 Plus. My cousin just bought a new phone and look how happy he is right now. Let's start. Alright, open the box. So same Samsung old style. Open the box and the phone in the front. No, they change it with the paperwork and all those instructions, quick start guide, SIM eject tool, just regular papers. So we don't want to see. This is the start of the video. S9 Plus, beautiful. Actually, look is so beautiful. It's good color too. I love the color and feels very good right in the hands. Let's see what we have in the box. Oh, it's charging brick. Yeah, it's a fast charging brick, and then USB A to USB C, and again same AKG headphones and charging cable, USB to USB C, some extra plastic heads for headphones. Yep, and let's go back to the S9 Plus. Boot it up for the first time. So the main big difference I can see from Note 8 to S9 Plus is the first one is camera for sure, the dual lens aperture. Both comes with the focal length of like 1.7 and 2.4, but the S9 Plus makes a variable aperture that can switch between 1.5 and 2.4, which makes a big difference when you're taking a picture in low light conditions. And in but the slow motion is the better in the S9 Plus, because Note 8 only take 720p in 240 frame per second, but the S9 Plus can take only up to 960 frame per second. The AR emojis, I'm not a big fan because I feel like a little bit like it's a gimmicky, but for me the second one is the stereo speakers at the front, like bottom and the top, and then there is a better place fingerprint sensor at the back, right? It's easily accessible. And the other nominal things are a processor which is 9810 from 8895, another battery 3500 from 3300. Except those differences, I don't think there is a big difference in Note 8 and S9 Plus, so I maybe stick to my Note 8. And for now, right now, let's see if I can get a good deal on S9 Plus so I can take it. But I'm very happy for my cousin that who got that S9 Plus, and he's really enjoying it, and a proud owner of S9 Plus.